Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Eureka E20 Plus with the Eureka app. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, go ahead, download and sign up or sign in to the Eureka app. Once you do, you'll be at this screen. That'll look a little bit different for you because you probably won't have any other Eureka devices set up. If you do, you'll be able to preview them right here. In our case, though, we need to add a new product, so select the plus icon near the top right-hand corner. It's going to use your nearby network Bluetooth to see if it finds any items. In this case, it did, so we can add it automatically right there. If not, you can manually add it and choose from the list of vacuum cleaners that you see right here. So we could select E20 Plus, or we can select Add right here for the E20 Plus that it found automatically. So we're going to select Add. Now it needs to connect to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so make sure you're connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Select Next, and now it's going to work on connecting about 40 seconds, 30 seconds, and 30 seconds. But you notice that went really quickly for the first section. Now we'll just wait for everything else to connect. All right, that didn't even take 20 seconds. Everything's connected here. We're prompted to name our vacuum. We're going to leave it as the E20 Plus. Select Confirm. And here we go. Everything is all set up and ready to go. That literally took less than a minute to set this up with the Eureka app.